Loosen the wheel nuts a little. Raise the vehicle on the jack. Put the car on a rack. Remove the wheel. Unlock the hub nut. Take a 30mm socket. Insert a screwdriver into the brake disc. Spray the nut with WD-40 spray. And screw the axle shaft nut. And screw and remove the caliper. Use an old snap ring to suspend the caliper. And screw a brake caliper. Remove the brake disc using a bolt. Spray WD-40 on the hub bolts. Remove the ABS sensor. Unscrew 3 hub bolts. Remove the hub by tapping with a hammer. I could only remove the flange. To remove the rest, unscrew the ball joint bolts. Pull out the axle shaft. Remove the plastic protection. Take the jack. Raise the opposite side of the car with the jack. Unscrew the nut of the stabilizer bar. Install the ball joint in place. Secure the axle shaft with a cord. Knock out the inside of the bearing. Use a metal pin to knock out the remaining part of the hub. This is the already removed hub with the casing. Knock the hub out of the housing. Clean the hub installation area. Install the new hub into the brake housing. Install the hub with the housing in place. Tighten the 3 hub bolts. Unscrew the ball joint bolts. Install the axle shaft in place. Tighten the ball joint. Install and tighten the stabilizer bar. Lower the jack. Put the plastic protection back in place. Clean the inside of the brake disc. Install the brake disc. Install the brake caliper into place. Tighten the brake caliper nuts. Install the brake pads. Install the brake caliper. Tighten the caliper nuts. Install the ABS sensor. Insert a screwdriver into the brake disc. Tighten the axle nut. Bend the edge of the hub nut. Install the wheel. Remove the car from the jack and tight and the wheel nuts.